brains awake now because y'all have to think a little bit. Y'all had an extra 30 minutes today, bro.
30 minutes felt good too.
30 minutes
To sleep, man. Must be nice. Life is good, ain't it?
Man, but what else? What's your technique? Sit your feet and bang them, right? Sit your feet and bang them, Marino. All right?
Here we go. We see 5-step, get our eyes back. Good job. Try to clear 15. Doubles arms distance, get out and run. Good job.
Like he cracks, that's why you're going, I'm assuming, right? All right. So you gotta make sure that you key in the right thing though, right? All right.
By no means are we game ready yet, but you know, that game's coming right around the corner and we need to make sure we're playing well. We are where we're at and we need to make progress from there, and those guys need to be on the field to be making progress. Okay?
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Guys.
See you. Great, thanks.
You got it.
Jason. That's it. Yeah. There we go.